Hello, today I am Sam.
My name's Erin, and I'm gonna start doing. And this is Sam, and she's a loser. Okay, so we're gonna do the YouTuber Whisper Challenge, and Joe Sugg started it, and we were gonna use these, but they don't. You can kind of hear out of them, but they're headphones and they're earmuffs. So if you're ever cold and want to listen to music.
Like you're cheaping on the herb, it's absurd. The way the dollar bill rules lives too tight. Of people on this earth.
I just sneeze.
Is it all the way up?
Okay.
Alright. Ready? Alright. Would you rather have fingers the size of your legs or legs the size of your fingers?
Would I rather date a flower
Yeah.
or kiss a car?
Okay.
Date a flower.
Alright. Would you rather sweat
Wait, I wasn't watching.
Go ahead. Would you rather sweat mayo or poop softballs?
Would I rather wipe a car or poop some birds?
Yeah.
Poop some birds.
Fine. Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout?
This is really hard.
Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout?
Would you rather?
Only be able to whisper
Would you rather only be able to whisper
or
or
only
only be able to sing? Only be able to whisper because I'm a horrible singer.
Or would you rather change your gender every time you sneeze or not be able to tell the difference between a baby and a muffin?
Would you rather?
Yeah. Would you rather change gender every time you sneeze or not be able to tell the difference between a baby and a muffin?
Would you rather be friends with Cameron and not have any babies, or not be friends with him and have babies with him? I'd rather be friends with him and I'd rather be friends with him and have no babies with him.
Good choice. Okay, last one. Would you rather be extremely attractive or marry someone extremely attractive?
Would you rather be a stripper at a mall
Alright.
or date Jacob,
Okay.
stripper at a mall?
Me too. Okay.
Would you rather live on the streets with 3 full meals a day or live in a house with only bread to eat?
Would you rather live in a house with 4 MagCon guys or 4 O2L members?
Yes.
It depends on who the members are.
Okay. Would you rather eat a living worm or eat a tiger?
Would you rather live with your mom or kiss a badger?
Yeah.
Kiss a badger.
Poor mom. Would you rather eat chocolate chip cookies or sugar cookies?
Go ahead. Do it again.
Would you rather eat chocolate chip cookies or sugar cookies?
Would you rather kiss Weekly Chris or shower with sugar?
Yeah.
Kiss Weekly Chris?
Would you rather live a happy life and die harshly, or have no life and die peacefully?
Would you rather have
Give me
a
two.
boyfriend and no life, or have no life and or have a life and no boyfriend? I forget what I said. Say it again.
Would you rather live a happy life?
Got it. Would you rather live a happy life and be poor, or live a sad life and be rich? Live a happy life and be poor.
You sound like mahogany. Mahogany. Last one. Would you rather marry Cameron or Jacob?
Would you rather marry Cameron or Jacob? Jacob. Good job. Thanks for watching my first video. If you liked it, and if you didn't like it, subscribe. Seriously, I'm so serious.
Can't hear the haters.
Sam, look.